That is a test for you and me. Even though we're not in Gaza, we're not experiencing what they're going through, we're not going through those events, but Allah Azza wa Jalla is testing our faith as well. This day of Friday, all of us were able to wake up in relative safety and comfort. They don't have that luxury. All of us are able to come to the Masjid and pray Jummah, where they fear for themselves and their families. You're going to go home and you're going to have an evening meal with your family, and you're going to do what you do on your normal Friday routine. That's not something that everyone can enjoy. So what will you do with those blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? If you don't see the trials that others are going through, and it doesn't make you turn to Allah Azza wa Jal, make tawbah to Allah, thank Allah, praise Him, use those blessings that Allah have given to you so that you may increase in worship and in iman, then you didn't benefit from that test. You're from those people that Allah is speaking about, and Allah addresses this verse in Surah Tawbah to the munafiqeen, the hypocrites, because they're like those people that don't take any lesson from the signs that Allah gives to them. ثُمَّ لَا يَتُوبُونَ وَلَا هُمْ يَذَّكَّرُونَ. They don't make tawbah. They're never reminded. They don't see lessons and benefits in what the other people are suffering and going through. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran, He tells us, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, O people of Iman. And what you feel, that is a sign of Iman. When you see those images and you hear those stories and you feel helpless, you feel the pain and empathize for the suffering of others, that's a sign of Iman. The Prophet told us sallallahu alayhi wa sallam in the hadith of Nu'man ibn Bashir radiyallahu anhu min al-Bukhari and Muslim, مثل المؤمنين في توادهم وتراحمهم وتعاطفهم كمثل الجسد إذا اشتكى منه عضو تداعى له سائر الجسد بالحمى والسهر. The example of the believers, he said sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the sign of Iman in their mutual love, their mutual affection and their mutual mercy, is that when a group of them is suffering from pain, the rest of them feel that pain and they empathize with it. That's a sign of Iman.